on the market, uh, we had a rally yesterday, but I'm not really convinced because the futures premium did not really expand. It in fact contracted as we moved higher. So Bank Nifty premium by the end was only 15 points. Nifty premium was only 6 points. So that's often a problem. And also the momentum with which we went up, that seemed to be fairly slow, with the Nifty not being able to gain even a single percent. So I believe that maybe the range of about 55.80 to 57.50 will narrow further, and maybe this is not the real thing. This is still part of the consolidation that we are going through. I think a good way of playing this is by being in sectors which are moving higher, something like pharma, realty, even the financial space. I'm saying financial and not banks because it includes PFC, REC type of stocks. But overall, if you see the market, you can't see that kind of momentum because the energy space, which is oil stocks, are not really participating. So maybe 56.50, 56.60 seems to be the target for this sort of an up move, and then we take it from there. Chances are that the range will narrow to a point that we'll be able to get some kind of directional move up or down. Odds are on the downside, but we'll see. So far, there is nothing on the index. Jet Airways, the view has been that it's been doing this range about 320, about 410. It broke out of 410 early yesterday, towards the morning session, and then it kept going. The next target here is probably closer to 515 to 520. So chances are a fresh up move has started, and it's not an aviation move. It seems to be jet specific. So jet should continue its up move even today. 410 is a nice stop loss that people can have. On Sun TV, after a 2 or 3 day break, the media index has again started moving higher, and Sun seems to be leading that. Now it's crossed levels about 370, which were some sort of a resistance, and chances are that now we are looking at another, maybe 60, 70 points on the upside, closer to 440, 450 on Sun TV.
Ashwani, what about your trading calls this morning?
Well, for the morning, Nifty needs to stay above 5598. Resistance comes in at 5635 and 5657. Support comes in at 5576 and 5539. It's important that we are very close to a weekly pivot of 5617. So we'll have to see how we react around those levels. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 11,415 and CNX IT above 6031. PTSD from yesterday, Hindustan Unilever was a buy with a stop about 518, target of 536. Union Bank was a buy with a stop about 220, target of 242. DB Realty was a buy with a stop about 119, target of 134. Fresh calls, L&T Financials restarted some kind of a rally, so this is a buy with a stop about 74, target of 85. United Spirits post a consolidation is now beginning to move higher. So this is a buy with a stop about 1775, target of 1910. Peninsula Land is a buy with a stop about 66, target of 78. Dishman Pharma is a buy with a stop about 108, target of 123. Anantraj is a buy with a stop about 89, target of 103. Titan is a buy with a stop about 290, target of 312.